The story begins long ago in the kingdom of Ayodhya, ruled by the great King Dashratha. King Dashratha lived peacefully with his three wives and four sons. Rama from Queen Kaushalya, Bharata from Queen Kekai, and Queen Sumitra, Lakshman, and Satrughan. In the neighboring city, the rulers named King Janak called a Swayamvar to select the husband for his daughter, Sita. All princes were asked to string the majestic bow of Shiva in order to win Sita's hand and marry, but no one can ever lift it.
The king of Mithila, Janak, with great sadness, announced the closing of the contest of my daughter Sita's marriage, because there is no man on the search worthy of her hand.
Wait, I think my brother Rama is worthy of Sita's hand.
Rama won the contest, and Sita indicated that he was his chosen husband. Meanwhile, on the kingdom of Ayodhya, I think it is time that I shall retire and put Rama on the throne. Besides, Rama is the eldest.
Oh, there is something I would like to tell you, King.
What is it, Kekai?
I want you to banish Ram for 14 years in Dandak forest and put Bharat on the throne.
But,
Don't you remember your promise to me? That you will give me whatever I wanted?
after Kekai forced the king, King Dashratha decided to give Kekai what she wanted. After all, he promised, but he cannot face Rama with the news, so Kekai must tell him.
I have to honor my father.
I will come with you, Rama.
But Sita,
I have taken a vow to be with you, always, and I don't want to break that.
Please take me also with you, my brother Rama.
Rama, Sita, and Lakshman crossed the Gange river with the boat penetrating deeper into the wilderness of the forest until they reached the Dandak forest. King Dashratha was so stricken at the loss of his son. He suffered from a terrible illness that none of the kingdom's doctor could heal, remembering an incident which had occurred in his past, about how by accident he had killed a young man named Shavanakumar, mistaking him to be a deer, shared with Kausalya. With his grief, striking parents had cursed him. Just as we are dying due to the separation from our beloved son, you too shall have the same fate. Rama!
Father, it's me, Bharat, your son.
Bharat, oh Bharat, I am dying, my dear son. The curse has taken its effect.
Father, please don't say that.
It's pain to me to know that I will be leaving you without being able to see Ram. But you know that I love all my sons equally, and I am sure you will become a magnificent king when I am dead and gone.
But I don't know if I'm ready to be a king. I don't know if I have enough experience and knowledge.
Oh, son, you may not have as much as knowledge and experience as Rama, but don't worry. I shall be reunited with our ancestor. Whenever you are having doubts, just look up in the sky and remember that I will always be there guiding you. Bye now, my son. Let me be at peace.
Goodbye, father.
Shrata had made up his mind. Even his father's comforting words were not able to convince him otherwise. He decided to go to forest of Dandak to see Rama and convince him to claim the throne. He reached the Dandak forest and he saw Rama.
Rama, my brother, I have a grave news.
what's the news, my dear brother?
Father is no more.
What? How could that happen?
After you left, he became miserable and very ill that none of the doctors could heal. Father missed you and mentioned about you a lot.
I'm very sorry. I was not there at the time of the death. However, I must congratulate you for being the upcoming king.
Don't be, my dear brother. I have no desire to be a king. This is also why I have come to you, brother. I implore you to come back Ayodhya and claim the throne that is rightfully yours.
But I may not seek Ayodhya and its throne.
Then give your sandals, and I would like to place it on the throne as a testimony to the people that I'm ruling in your name. He's not.
Then here it is, Bharat.
Thank you, my dear brother.
Bharat finally leaves to return Ayodhya, where he ruled in Rama's name. One day, Supernekha, the princess of forest, saw Rama.
Who are you, charming young man?
I am Dashrath's son Ram. Lady, and you?
Me? I am the princess of this forest and sister of Lankadhipata Ravana, Shupernekha.
The princess. My greeting is for you.
Now you should come with me. All the comforts in the world are waiting for you.
I cannot go with you. I am vowing by a promise. You may go.
No, no one ever can say no to me.
No. Look, I don't want to cause you any harm, so please leave.
You are a fool, Ram. Now I'll make you my slave.
Wait! I have to follow my promise. But you can meet my younger brother.
Do charming young man? What's wrong, my lord? Oh, I see. So this is why you have refused me, Ram? Now I'll kill her.
Look, we don't kill women and children. And so,
Ah! You fools! You shall be punished! Punished for this!
Supernekha goes to the kingdom of her brother Ravana, and there she mentioned about what happened.
Brother, that insane Lakshman has cut off my nose.
Don't worry, my sister. We will take your revenge, and I assure you that it will be so sweet. Ha 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 ha! Ravana devises a plan. He sends Marich disguised as a magical golden deer, which Sita would desire.
What a beautiful deer.
It is very beautiful.
My lord, please catch it for me. If it stays with me, I'll be very happy.
Lakshman, I'll come back with it, but you should take care of Sita and shouldn't leave her until I come back.
Rama runs behind the deer, but when he gets the deer, it imitates Rama's voice and shouts out for help.
Help! Help!
It sounds like your brother's voice. I think he's in trouble.
don't worry, it's just not possible. Please go inside.
Help! Help!
Look, Lakshman, your brother is in trouble right now, and you say there is nothing to worry about? Go, please go now and help my dear Ram.
Lakshman decided to go and help Rama.
Before I go, I must secure your safety first, as I promised my brother Rama. Promise me, whatever happens, you would not cross this line called Lakshman Rekha.
Please give me some alms. God bless you, my child.
Please come here and accept the offering.
I am ascetic, my child. Even the shadow of house is absolutely forbidden for me. So you must come here or else I will leave. But remember, God will never forgive you.
Oh, please, don't leave. Oh, sage.
Ha 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 ha! Sita!
Who are you? How do you know my name?
I am Ravana, the king of Lanka, the brother of Shurpanekha. whose nose was cut off by you people. This will be my sweet revenge. Ha 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 ha. And now you will become my queen, my beautiful one. Ha 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 ha.
Help me! Someone help me!
Hey Ravana! Hey Ravana! How dare you kidnap Ma Sita?
Go away, you silly bird! You can't stop me.
I will not let you do this. Ah! Ah!
Go away and save your life, Jatayu.
I can't let you do this. I will fight till my last breath. Ah! Ah! Jai Sri Ram!
Back in the forest, as Rama and Lakshmana returned to the hut, Sita was not there. They looked for her everywhere, but she was nowhere to be found. In searching for Sita, they find Sita's ornament and follow the same direction, and so find Jatayu, fallen on the ground, wounded.
What happened, Jatayu?
Lord Ram, please save Mahasita. Ravana, the king of Lanka, has kidnapped her. I tried to save, but I couldn't.
Rama and Lakshman, upset after knowing about Sita, move forward and find a band of monkeys that offer them to help find Sita.
Lanka is 100 miles from here, and there is a sea in between. How will we reach there?
Don't worry, I can fly from here. Friends, we shall fulfill Lord Ram's wish. Jai Sri Ram!
Hanuman flies to Lanka with Sri Ram's finger ring and meet Ma Sita. Shows the finger ring off for identification.
Ma Sita,
Who are you?
I am Hanuman, sent by Sri Ram to give you a message. Sri Ram is coming to save you soon from evil Ravana.
I'm waiting.
Ma Sita, I am hungry. This garden has many fruits. Can I have some?
Yes, my child, you can have this.
Hanuman jumps around in hunger and creates a mess.
My lord, a monkey man is creating a quiet mess to the garden.
Oh, bring that stupid monkey home! Hanuman was caught by Ravana and put on fire on his tail and was to be dragged in the whole town. Hanuman escapes and set fire to whole Lanka, then return back to Sri Ram.
We can start making the bridge from here using this shell stone, and should write Sri Ram on it to make it float.
All the monkeys join to make the bridge and cross the bridge to start the war to save Sita. War begins and several soldiers lose their life. Indrajit, the son of Ravana and Lakshmana, came across.
Surrender yourself, Lakshmana, and save your life.
Lakshman, my dear brother.
Lord Rama, Lakshman can be saved only by Sanjeevani Booty.
I will get it. Where can I find it?
Hanuman, you will get it in the Dronagiri mountains situated in the far Himalayas.
Where is the booty? I don't find it. All the leaves look same. Let me pick up the whole mountain. The Vaidya can decide which one to use. Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram!
Thank you, Hanuman.
The Vaidya plucks the Sanjeevani booty from the mountain and saves Lakshmana. Next day, Indrajit dies on confront with Lakshman. War begins between Rama and Ravana. Rama is attacked on his navel by Sri Ram and he dies. Rama meets Sita and then he started flying back to Ayodhya in Pushpak Viman. People in Ayodhya were waiting with lighted lamps and welcomed Rama, Lakshmana and Sita. That day since then it is celebrated as Diwali, called Happy Diwali!